It's only through the 10, with the help of the 10. If you want to avoid falling or fall and get up, meaning advance in this way, like a wheel, where half of it is moving forward and half is moving backwards. If you want to be in this advanced process, although it's taken into consideration both the ascent, the descent, and the ascent, moving backwards, forward, then consequently you have to be with the others. The others. Like in all the actions of all the systems, you have a portion of the system that works. Like a piston that, one is rising, one is descending, and then vice versa, and you constantly work in this way. You have the exchange of roles. If you're not working with a friend and there's no connection between you, such that by which you can be together, then you have no chance of advancing. Understand, one person cannot be in two states together, both in the ascent and the descent. And if he's with a 10 and each one is working, then when they work together in this way, understand what an enormous system you have. There's an engine, and inside it there are 10 pistons. And each one is working, and it's work according to the work of the others. You have the ability to reach the goal without limitation. That's how it works. It's clear? Kazakhstan.
Рафа, как я могу проверить себя, правильно ли продвигаюсь в вере в высшие знания? Стал ли я больше, например, любить товарищей?
How can I measure myself that I'm actually advancing correctly in faith above reason?
The important thing is that you discover that without them you cannot advance. Where if you are in contact with anyone else but the society, you're wilting. You simply die, you dry out if you're alone. And only in the condition that you are together with the friends, then you advance in the common work with them. And with each passing day, you feel more and more to what extent you need them. And maybe you still can't see today how you can connect to them. I need to work with them together. What are they doing? What am I doing? What each one of us is doing. But these searches, these questions awaken the Kli, scrutinize the Kli, and that's how you advance. So it's worthwhile to talk about it. You should talk about it in the 10. How do we work together like pistons in an engine? These cylinders that, let's say you have in the engine, you have an axle or axis, right, around which 10 pistons are sitting, and they all spin the wheels, because that's how it is. If you don't feel this work, I don't know how you can advance.